approach we should take?
There are a lot of critical opinions about our education system, but I am of the opinion that our mathematical and physical education system is the best in our world, because I I'm not familiar with marketing or something like financial education or English learning education or something like this. I'm a technical person, and I study in Bauman University. And,
It's one of the best universities of the world.
yes, I know, and
It is.
actually I participate Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and these students in Massachusetts Institute of Technology, they are smart, but you know, they don't know the strong basement of physics and mathematics. They don't know, because Bauman University and Moscow State University, or probably FISTEC, they study students very well, because the structure of information, information are very structured. For example, now I'm a 6 years student, but now I understand why did I study some subjects in the first year or in the second year. And just now I realize that, oh, this subject is very important, and it helps me in making my diploma project or something like this. It helps me in real life. So I believe that our mathematics and physics education are very strong, and actually nobody in the world can repeat our experience in such structured information, such a lot of theory, a lot of basics, and of course there is a lack of practice. But you know that if you have a strong basic, a strong basement, for example 5 or 6 years, you can easily get practice. That's all.